Do you know the one thing I quit to begin my confidence transformation journey? It wasn't a diet, it wasn't a new outfit, it wasn't even more training. I quit worrying about what other people think. And when I tell you this shifted everything, I mean it. For most of my life, I carried the weight of other people's opinions. I worried constantly about how I look, what people would say. And honestly, it crippled me. It stopped me from going live on camera. It stopped me from trying new things. It stopped me from being fully myself, especially as a young woman from high school all the way to middle age. I let judgment hold me back. But here's what changed everything. The moment I stopped chasing approval, the moment I became insecure, the moment I became secure in who I am, and more importantly, whose I am, I realized that I am wonderfully made. When you truly believe that deep in your soul, the grip of judgment begins to break. You stop shrinking, you stop hiding, and you start walking in confidence. So let me ask you, what would your life look like if you stopped worrying about what people think? If this spoke to you, let me know in the comments. Just write freedom, because freedom from judgment is the beginning of total confidence. I also created a free download with 10 biblical affirmations to help speak life over yourself. Start by memorizing just one. Let it become your personal statement of confidence. Just comment 10 and I will send that to you. And if you want more tips like this, don't forget to subscribe. I got so much more to share.